So you just bought yourself a Graco Project Painter Airless Paint Sprayer, and you've got no idea how to use it. Don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set it up and get started using your new sprayer. By the end of this video, you're going to feel like a pro. Out of the box, your sprayer has 3 features: power switch, primer switch, and the pressure knob. Setting everything up is super easy. First thing you're going to do is connect the hose to the machine. For the final turn, I like to use pliers to get a snug fit. If it's not snug, once pressure builds, paint will leak from here. The next step is to put on the tip guard and tip. Simply screw it on by hand, and with the last turn, I recommend using pliers. If it's not a snug fit when you squeeze the trigger, paint will shoot everywhere. Once the guard is on, twist the tip into place. Forward for spraying and opposite direction for unclogging tip. Always make sure the tip is in either direction perfectly before squeezing the trigger, or paint will shoot everywhere. The next step is adding paint to your machine. Take your paint line and stick it into your paint. Grab a waste bucket. Turn your pressure knob to high. Hit your primer switch, then turn on the power. In a few seconds, you should see paint filling the line until it starts coming out. Turn off the primer switch. Now grab your gun, remove the tip, and spray into your waste bucket until paint comes out.
Now add your tip and you're ready to spray.
Your sprayer comes with a size 515 tip. The 515 tip has a fan of 10 to 12 inches. I rarely use this size tip indoor or outdoor. I recommend a 209 to 211 tip for trim indoors, and for ceilings and walls, 309 to 315 size tip will work. Once you're done painting, it's time to clean your machine. For this, you'll need a bucket of clean water. Take your paint hose and stick it into your bucket of water. Take your primer line, hold it in your waste bucket. Then turn on your primer switch. Let it run until you see clean water coming out. Turn the primer switch off. Next, grab your gun and remove tip and tip guard. Next, spray the remaining paint in your line into the waste bucket until clean water comes out. That's it. You successfully set up, used, and cleaned your sprayer. Now don't you feel like a pro? Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace and blessings.